Hey traders, and welcome back to the channel where we unravel the market's most compelling setups. Ever wonder if there's a specific pattern that can predict a stock's next big move? Today, we're diving deep into Clean Energy Fuels Corp, ticker CLNE, a stock that recently triggered multiple high conviction signals on our scanner. We're going to break down exactly why CLNE caught our attention, the specific patterns it's showing, and the key levels to watch. Stick around, because this isn't generic advice, it's a deep dive into CLNE itself. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show CLNE logo and ticker on screen. Let's start with a quick profile of Clean Energy Fuels Corp. CLNE operates in the energy sector, specifically within oil and gas refining and marketing, but with a forward-looking twist. They specialize in offering natural gas as an alternative fuel for vehicle fleets, along with related fueling solutions across the US and Canada. We're talking about renewable natural gas, compressed natural gas, and liquefied natural gas for medium and heavy-duty vehicles. With a market cap of $483.04 million, CLNE sits firmly in small cap territory, which often brings higher volatility but also significant upside potential. Being an under -$5 stock, it's also in that penny stock category that attracts specific types of traders. Looking at recent price action, show a chart of CLNE has shown some encouraging upward momentum. Today alone, it's a plus 3.5%. Over the last 5 days, that gain extends plus 6.4%, and in the last 30 days, it's climbed plus 7.60%. Currently, CLNE is trading 29.4% below its 52-week high of $3.11, but it's also a solid 32.2% above its 52-week low of $1.06,600, suggesting it's building strength from a solid base. The volume data is also telling, highlight volume bars. Today's volume hit an impressive 2,281,804 shares. That's a significant jump from its 30-day average volume of 1,585,263 shares, giving us a relative volume of 1.4 times above average. This means there's considerably more interest in CLNE than usual. So, what made CLNE flash on our radar to scan our entry signal price of $2.1950? This signal wasn't just a random blip. It was confirmed by our robust VWAP and EMA alignment gate. In simple terms, this means CLNE's price is trading healthily above its volume-weighted moving average, indicating strong buying pressure. The trend strength measured by ADX is above 18, suggesting a clear directional move is in play, not just choppy sideways action. And importantly, the relative strength index or RSI is comfortably in the healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68. This multi-factor confirmation filter is crucial. It helps us eliminate false breakouts and focus on setups with genuine underlying strength. Now, let's dive into the specific strategies that triggered for CLNE. Show strategy names on screen. First, we had the Paloma on Sissy strategy, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze. Imagine a coiled spring about to release. The ADX indicator, which measures trend strength, was low, meaning CLNE's price had been consolidating in a tight, narrow range, building energy. But crucially, the price was above its 20-day exponential moving average, and volume was just beginning to expand. This combination suggests accumulation before a potential explosive upward move. Your chart highlighting tight consolidation and volume expansion. Next, dip and gut top layer or strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stock showing renewed power after forming a base. We saw that low ADX consolidation again, indicating a pause or basing period. Price was above the EM at 1T, the RSI was above 50, showing that buyers were gaining control and, as we noted, volume was already above its 30-day average. These are all classic signs of institutional buying returning and pushing the stock higher from its recent lows. Highlight RSI 50 and volume on chart. Finally, POC delta point of control plus delta pressure. This strategy focuses on where the most trading activity has occurred. CLNE was trading above the highest volume price level of the last 20 days, signaling strength above a key support zone. Combine that with the fact that 5-day buy pressure significantly exceeded sell pressure, and you have strong evidence that active buying is dominating and pushing CLNE higher from critical levels. Show volume profile chart with POC highlighted. Show a chart with levels marked. With these powerful signals confirmed, let's talk about the key levels that are absolutely critical for CLNE. Our standard entry signal price was $2.1950. The predefined stop-loss level, which is your risk management checkpoint, is set at $2.1840. This is the level where the original thesis for the trade would be invalidated, and it's essential to respect it. Now, for the potential upside, we have our take-profit targets. TPON, $2.3047. TP2, $2.4145. TP3, $2.5242. What's truly exceptional about this setup is the risk/reward ratio, a remarkable one, 9.97. This means for every $1 you risk on this trade, there's a potential to gain almost $10 if CLNE reaches that final target. This is what we call asymmetric risk, where the potential reward significantly outweighs the downside, a cornerstone of intelligent trading. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Moving forward, here's what we'll be closely watching for with CLNE. We need to see the continued volume expansion. Today's 1.4x relative volume is great, but persistence is key to confirm sustained institutional interest. Of course, respect for the stop loss at $2.1840 is paramount. A break below the level would invalidate the current bullish setup. We'll also monitor how CLNE interacts with each take profit level. Strong pushes through TPON and TP2 on good volume would suggest further momentum towards TP3. Remember, CLNE is still 29.4% below its 52-week high, indicating substantial room for growth if this momentum continues. To wrap up, Clean Energy Fuels Corp. CLNE presented a compelling setup driven by robust pre-breakout strength from lows and volume pressure strategies, all confirmed by our rigorous multi-factor gate. With an excellent risk/reward ratio and clear levels defined, it's a prime example of how targeted scanning and analysis can identify high potential opportunities. Remember, this is about learning and applying these principles to your own trading. If you found this deep dive on CLNE valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more unique stock analysis, and let us know in the comments, what stock should we analyze next. Until next time, trade smart, manage your risk, and happy trading.